Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2004 C5 Corvette. A few months ago I put out a video on what I bought on Black Friday. I picked up a few things from Zip Corvette. One of those was the Blackout Emblem kit for the C5. It's for the front emblem and the rear emblem. Only comes with two Blackout kits. I'm not sure if you convertible guys, if you have an emblem on the waterfall. I forget, so let me know in the comments if the convertible has a emblem on the waterfall. It does not include that third one if it does, only the two. Alright, now this Blackout kit is a peel and stick, and it's more of a tint than a Blackout, but let's get into the video and see how it goes. Alright, now this is the part number from Zip Corvette. You see that it's for the front and rear, so there's two sets of Blackout kits. Obviously, this is for left and right, and then there's two sets. One for the rear of the car and one for the front. Now before you get started, obviously you want to clean your emblem first. You want to get in here, you want to clean this really good. Use the alcohol wipe that was provided. One thing that I found actually worked pretty good at getting in between, like where the flag and the black of the outline of the emblem is, like a toothpick or anything like that, just to get in that groove there and really clean that out the best you can. Because these, once you stick these on, these do run a little bit down the edge, so you're gonna have to like push that down with like a card or something. But you just definitely want to try and clean in those edges. Make sure once you do clean it, that you let it dry thoroughly, or else, you know, these won't stick all that well. So that's definitely one thing you want to do first, is just prep everything, get it all ready before you start sticking the Blackout kit on. When you look at this Blackout kit that it came with, I mean, you probably can't see it on camera, but you can tell that this is more of just like a tint. It's not really like a total blackout. So you will still be able to see the checker flag. You still will be able to see the Chevy bow tie and this whole red flag here. So you still be able to see them. It'll just be like a tint more than a Blackout kit. So these are obviously pre-cut for the flags. So all you have to do is just peel one side here. Alright. And then all you have to do is stick this on. Try and center it up the best you can. Like I said, you're going to have to push along the edges in order to really get it down inside of the grooves. So you just want to try and center that up the best you can. Then once that's on, firmly press that on, and then like I said, get like a credit card or something just to push that down into the edges there. Alright guys, so that is the final product. As you can see, it is more like a tint than a Blackout. You can still see the checkered flag, and you can still see the red flag on this side. So it's not a total Blackout kit. Definitely does darken it up, but you know, when you're looking at it, you can definitely see that it's tint, more like tint than a Blackout. But I did this mainly because I have the wing, I have the blacked out letters and the Corvette, so I just want to try it out. See how well it holds up. Doesn't hold up all that well. I'll just peel it off and stay with the normal emblem, but we'll try this out for now and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's upload. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Hey, what is that smell? Did you go poo-poos? You go poo-poos?